Welcome to Pegasus Bridge, a pivotal site in the D-Day landings of June 6, 1944. This historic bridge, spanning the Caen Canal near the town of Benouville, was the first to be liberated by Allied forces during the invasion of Normandy. In the early hours of D-Day, British glider-borne troops of the 6th Airborne Division executed a daring assault to capture this vital crossing and prevent German reinforcements from reaching the beaches. The daring operation to capture the bridge, known as Operation Deadstick, was led by Major John Howard and executed by D Company of the Oxfordshire and Buckinghamshire Light Infantry, part of the British 6th Airborne Division. In the early hours of D-Day, 3 Horsa gliders, each carrying 28 soldiers, landed here in the fields surrounding the bridge. Despite the darkness and challenging conditions, the pilots skillfully guided their gliders to a precise landing, with the first glider stopping just 47 meters from the bridge. These gliders, made of lightweight wooden fabric, were unarmed and relied entirely on stealth and surprise. The soldiers on board were heavily equipped with weapons, explosives, and supplies for the operation. Once on the ground, they quickly disembarked and launched their assault. The operation was completed in under 10 minutes, with the bridge secured intact, a remarkable achievement that ensured German reinforcements could not reach the nearby beaches. The troops were supported by reinforcements from the 7th Parachute Battalion, who parachuted into nearby fields to hold the bridge against counterattacks. Throughout the day, they faced fierce resistance, including an armored counterattack, but held their ground until relief arrived from Sword Beach later that day. Memorials scattered around the area pay tribute to the bravery and skill of those involved in the operation. The landing site of the gliders is marked by a stone monument, honoring not only the soldiers but also the courageous glider pilots, whose precision flying made this success possible. Adjacent to the bridge is Café Gondrée, which holds a special place in history as the first house in France to be liberated on D-Day. The Gondrée family, who owned the café at the time, had secretly supported the French resistance. Today, the café serves as a living memorial and a must-visit location for anyone exploring this historic site. Over the road from Café Gondrée sits Café des Trois Planeurs, which offers a fantastic opportunity to pause and immerse yourself in the history of this area. Named after the 3 gliders that made the daring landing, this café is more than just a place to enjoy a drink. It's a welcoming hub for those reflecting on the events that took place here. Whether you sit on the terrace or inside, you can enjoy a cold beer or a warm cup of coffee while taking in views of the canal and the nearby bridge. The café itself has a cozy, charming atmosphere, with decor that often reflects the rich history of the D-Day landings. Below Café des Trois Planeurs sits a fantastic gift shop offering a wide range of souvenirs and memorabilia from the D-Day landings. Many visitors find that the prices here are more reasonable than in other Normandy shops, making it a great place to pick up a unique memento of your visit. The Pegasus Bridge you see today is actually a faithful replica of the original, which was removed and preserved in a nearby museum. See the Pegasus Bridge Memorial video for further information. This replacement was built in 1994 to accommodate modern traffic while maintaining the structure's historic design. The original Pegasus Bridge, a steel cantilever design, was a technical marvel for its time, able to lift for passing river traffic. Pegasus Bridge remains a powerful testament to the ingenuity and heroism of the Allied forces. This operation's success was a key factor in securing the eastern flank of the D-Day landings and marked the beginning of the liberation of France. Thank you for watching this journey through history. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more stories from Normandy and beyond.